Okay, subscribers, in this video I will show you the whole process of designing the building from foundation to top. Let me show you the first example of the building that I will show you. This building we will design from foundation level. This is the building which we will design from plinth beam, foundation beam, cantilever slab, dead load, live load, wall load, and we will run the analysis and design. So we will start this the from the beginning. In this video, we will start this building from beginning. Okay, so you will learn the whole process how you can design the building. So let's go to a new project here. First of all, you have to click ACI code. Okay, correct. Already been entered. Okay, let's say I say here YouTube, YouTube. Okay, you can see the display. This display will come here. Okay, so at the beginning of the time, what you have to do is you need to click on the settings. Okay, you need to first of all you need to select the building codes. We will use the ACI United States 2014 and 2019 we can use. Okay, steel design we will still use ACI. US loading we also use US. Wind load we will use here United States wind load. Okay, we will also use United States National Building Code. Okay. Okay, this changing will be made. Click OK, yes. Okay, now all the settings are done according to the United States ACI code and IBC. So first step, what you have to do is go to modeling, click on the grids. You need to put here axial spacing here. So I have the data of the spacing, axial spacing. Let's put here 700, 200, 600. Let's do a 700, 200, shit, 700, 200, 600, please. See, our axis has been drawn. Okay, you have to do here, you have to click on the story, edit story. Okay, this is first of all, you have to, this is for plinth beam level. First one is the plinth beam. Here, so let's say we have a 700 mm or plinth height. We can say PB, plinth beam. Okay, and let's say our foundation depth is 1800 millimeter. Click on. Okay. Okay. So now we have created the point beam label. So let's say we want to insert a story, first floor. So now we will put here three. Number of stories are three. I will tell you later why I put the three. Okay. Just put the three. Now you can go to edit story. Yeah. So now we have a story height is 3.2 meter. It's mean 3600 millimeter. So first we will be 1800. Okay. And then we will put 1800. Okay. But this one is a landing area, landing beam for stairs. We will put L1. And this one is the floor F1, floor level of first story. Okay. So the L1 is a landing beam of between the first story, and this one is the first floor. So total height will be 3600 millimeter. It's mean 3.2 meter. Okay. Click on the okay. Next step, what we have to do is we have to put the columns here. So I have created a screenshot from my previous video of the layout of the columns where I have to put which where of the positions of the column. Okay, you can see in the pictures. So now you can see when I added the insert story, we can see here this is the axis label, this is a length beam label, this is a leading label, and this one is floor. Story number 3 is first floor. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to go to the column. Okay, this will comes up. So let's say I want to okay column. Let's say I want to my column size is 300 by 600. Okay, click. Yes, you can see. Okay, so here I have here is in different directions. Change it left right now. Let me put these columns first in vertical directions. Here I have point all. Okay, so what I do need to do is right now is you probably you can see here I will put the 600. See, it has changed to this direction. So we have two columns in this direction and one column in this direction. So let me change this one as well. You can double click on it. You can put here 600. You put here 300. Okay, it has changed now. So now 300 and 600 in the vertical directions. We have a column in vertical direction. So let me put for the vertical columns first. Okay. Okay, and this column is actually 600 by 300 by 700. Just double click on it and change its okay, you can see in the picture. Yeah. G E E. Okay, so it's this is the column layout. You can put the column layout according to your requirement. Okay, and just considering okay. So now you need to select. You need to second step. You have to do the beam. So let's say my beam is 300 is money. No. So now let's play the beam. So we need to the beam here. You need to click the perpendicular. Okay. 700. Okay. So the beam right. 700. So every time you have to So you have to put the beams on the column according to your given architectural plan. Okay. So now we have, let's say we can also go here from story from here. You can go to 3D. You can see this silver 3D model. You can also go to the view here and tile it. Okay, you can see this. Okay, now the next step, what we have to do is we need to align them. When you will click this, click on this and use the arrow button and click the left. You can see to the line. Now this one I have to move it downside. This one I have to move it downside. Okay. So this one I have to move it left side. Okay. You can even select multiple and move those according to your requirement. Okay. Now this one, oh, upside. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's move things. Okay. Save this. I move this one. Make this one too. Okay. So you can see here our link beam label has made. So what the next step we have to do? It is actually this software actually is very quick and very easy. You don't have to do everything like you don't have to work on everything. So now I want to create the beam for beam and column for mm, the first block. So what you will do, go to the story. You can click on generate story. Let's say I want to click on plant beam and I want to move it to floor 1 because this one is a landing beam. I cannot move this to landing beam. Okay, so this one length beam I want to copy to target story F1. So we select whatever you want to move. Actually we didn't made this slab or straight like that, so we can select all of these. We have the column and beams we want to move. Click OK. Yes. Okay. So now you can see this. This is move. But here why this portion is missed, because we put the 3-story. This one is actually the landing beams, landing area. Okay, so that's why this computer or software did not made. Now I want to join this column to the bottom. Click on the column, go to the properties. Oh, you can length. You can just right click on it and drag it down. You can just put 2 here and click enter. You will see here it has been connected. Look at this plan. Look at structure has been made. So I want to remove this grid. You can click on it and go to views, split, view and setting. I don't want this grid to be here. Okay. Okay. So next step is our staircase. We want to design the stairs. Okay, or the mid beam, landing beam. Okay, so we will go here the 3 stories. We are generating story 1, 2, 3. We will go to story 1 and landing. Click on this. Click double click. You will double click on this plane is shown here. Now you want to design here a beam. So I want to design each of the 250 by 400. is enough. And the mid beam. Okay, so click to play both and a beam. Okay, so what you will do here, um, actually, the beam is not drawing here because we cannot join in the column because this column is reached at the upfloor here. So if we select the column, then it's mean we are drawing the beam on the top level. So these two beam cannot be joined together, cannot be at the same place at one place together. So now what do you have to do? You have to select here axis. When you will move the mouse, you will see axis and traction. Just by slowly, when you will move, you will get the axis. Okay, when you will get the axis, well, actually, we want to draw on axis. Okay, shit, man, I mean, so you can even draw this. Mm, okay, fine. Yes, yeah, now why this beam has drawn, but now and there is a one mistake I made is I did not put the and you have to put 400 and yeah 250. Now I can you can put is like 300 for sorry I can put 200 250 sorry 250 and 2 I think this is I think this is wrong here. Let me select it. Oh, I think I can click on the wall. I have to click on the beam. Okay, so this is a staircase. Okay, okay, yeah, now it's correct. Now it is this beam width is 250 by 400. I want to put here. Okay, so you can see here we put the beam here. So now okay. So the next step, what we have to do is we want to create a landing area. Okay. So for landing, I need to have our axis. Okay. So I will click on this axis and create uh, offset axis. We want to create it downward. So I want to let's say I want it minus 1200. Put here F1. Click here F2. Okay, minus 1200. See, we got this axis here. I want to create the height axis. Okay, it will not show in the axis in the grid. It is just a indication. Okay, so I also need a midpoint mid axis here. Yeah, like this. So I will go here. Great. Hidden axis. Just click on the middle of this point, and I will press Control to make it straight. Alright, okay, same here, right now. So now, what you have to do now, you have to go to the slab, we like to be a yes. Okay, so now we will design here a load case. Okay, loading design. Okay, we will not include this. Show this is turned off. This is selected, this is selected. You see, look, this wasn't pretty. Click on the slab, put here on download. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me put the slab here on the load. You can see it's a KD Newton. Then wants to go in the, let's go to setting, what the unit format. Period. Wants to print this one. Yes, I unit. Okay, kilonewton per. So then I will put our dead load is 2 kilonewton. The full load is 2 kilonewton. Okay. No column on this axis, so I can delete this. Okay. Click on this. Okay. You can see here. New load. So, yes. You see, we can divide the slab here. So in this grid, still I don't have any column. I can delete this one. So disable staircase section. And there are two. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can see here our railing has created on the plane on the middle beam and these two this slab. So now what I have to do now, I need to select this slab and okay. So now next step what we have to do is we have to create a slab, landing and the slab, base slab. Go to the slab. Okay. Sign the load. Go to Newton. To the Newton. Come here and we pick points. Okay. Pick here. Pick here. Pick here. Pick here. Okay. This slab has created. Now again. Pick here. Pick here. Pick here. Pick here. Let me see it again. This slab is creating now. Go to the slab again. Put me. Check point. This one. Now click, 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 click. Actually, we have to again key slab. Sorry. Yeah. Click, click. So what I made here, I want to tell you why did I select his thickness. Click, click. That's yeah, I want to say it's 200. I can create cover is 25 centimeter. Okay. So before putting a slab, you can select this, but I forgot to select this. So now go to properties and you can see the thickness 200 mm concrete cover. So look, 25. Okay. Okay. So now you can see its thickness is increased. So next step, what you will do now, you need to move it down and this one is up. Let's see. Let's see what you will do now. Click on this. Go to plane. Let's see. Plane definition. Okay. Pick the point. Go to plane definition. Get a pick point. So now go here, here, here. Okay. Now here is Z1, 2, 3, and 4. So now 1 and 2 I have to move it down 1. So this one is point 1. Minus 1800. That's 1800. Okay. See here. Okay. So now when click on that, you will see there's more. But you know this one is creating there's a problem because beam thickness is the space is little low, it's small. So it is just a product indication, you understand what I'm saying. So you can reduce its thickness or whatever the design according to the design, you can change it. Okay. You can either increase this span or you can increase this you can decrease the length of the stairs. Okay, so in the architectural plan it will be completely fine. So now you have to upward, go to the plan definition, pick the points, this. So now these two is 1, 2, 1 is 1800, 2 is 1800. Okay. Then you can say this whole part. It has been created. Landing and stairs. Very slab. Okay. So now you can go back to with beam level. This is a plain beam level. This is what? First floor. Okay. Next step, what we have to do is we can design the wall walls on beams. step you have to do is you have to put the slabs on it, okay? So go to the slab, okay? Beam, select the beam region. Good. This is the staircase area. We will put your slab. Okay, 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 okay. And this one here, you can see here. Okay, so now I will go to the slab. I will go to the cantilever area. Oh, I made a here. You can have one mistake. Select. I didn't mention the depth of the slabs. Put in 170 and the cover 25. Okay. Okay. So now I want to put a cantilever slab at the front side. So now you can go to the cantilever. Go to here. Let's see, I want to first thickness is 170. Cantilever depth is 500. Let's see, this one is 170. Okay. This has been designed. Now, here again, let's do with square to lever. And see this. Can you notice that? Design. Okay. So now, next step, what we have to do is we have to select the slab type. So we have to select the slab type automatically for all slab in the model. It will automatically select the all slab types. So the next step is we will assign the load wall loads on them. Step is we did not define the load of the slabs. And before design, before assigning the wall load, we will select the slab loads. Okay, so now you can go slab, go to slab table. You can assign, you can see all the slabs here. We can define total 2 kilo Newton per meter. So, okay. And this is dead load. Here is the Q is the live load. Okay. You can see we assign the dead load and live load in all the slabs. Okay. Okay. So now next step is to assign the wall load on beams. So for that, go to the loading. Here, telling you, telling your portion was flat. Let me see here, this shortcut is available. So now, first you have to go with all loads. So let's say I have all these are the by default false. If you want to select any of those, you can select. If not, you can create the new wall. Let's say I have a wall of 200 mm block in GCC. Okay, okay. So now go to edit material, click. Yeah, 16 parameter Q. Okay, click here. Let's see here and this one. Layer thickness is or beam depth is, let's say the is 200 mm. Okay, click. Okay, okay. We have designed the wall one. So now we have to put the load on it. Edit code. Okay, go to the wall load. Select this one block. So now, mm, what is the height of the wall? So the start height is our total height is 3600. Let me fix it and calculate it. Or 3600 minus top beam is 700. Okay, 700. Yes, the beam thickness is the beam height is 700 mm. So let's say it's 2900. Now what is the beam? 100 wall height. Okay, click OK, and now you have to click here. Okay, and click OK. Here you can see the wall load has assigned on the beam. Now what you will do is you will copy the copy load. Okay, wall load. Okay, and now copy the load. How you paste it on. Paste it on. That's all. Okay, don't have we don't have walls here. This is some kind of corridor here, and change it now. First off, we don't have a wall here. Okay, so even we do not have the walls here as well. This is our entrance. Or even you can put on, if you have the walls, you can put it here. Okay, if you have the walls here, you can put down there. Okay, I will remove this load and beam as well. Remove the whole beam here. Want to remove the beam? I just want to remove the, and there is no wall. Okay. See the beam. Our road has dimension. So let's say we don't have a goal. We don't have a wall. You want to remove the load from here as well. This one and this one. Because it can only be okay. Let me remove. Go to the delete or another one. Or load here. So this will depend upon what is your. I am just putting all the step here so you can understand all the steps. If you have a different kind of model or any model for any architecture plan, you can use all the steps to manage your model. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the wall boards as well. Step is we want to put the load wall load on the length beam as well. Okay. Now I want to sorry. I want to go to the length beam. Yeah. This not this one. I want to make it what is it? Beam. Yeah, I want to the right side. Okay. So you want to create a plinth load on the plinth. Here should be the column. Here should be the column can be provided here. So let me move this column to this. Same height. Click on here. Mm. You can see here this does not have a sign. Select all. Copy. Both. Space there for the We have a song below story. If you want to put that slab here, you can even put that. It will be the same procedure. So here is the one thing we need to change here. Here, this beam. Okay. So this wall here, we have to go to very low. Okay, wall that thing actually change. So 29 to 2900, 1400, 1450. You can see here this. Change lower height, wall height, 14, 50. That's actually fine, even if you want to put the mm, if you don't have a wall here, or if you want to put the separate wall, you can put it. Actually, I don't have a node here, so let me see why it is not changing. So he wants to actually assign the load on this pin as well. That's why. So let's see, I will copy this over here, this one, here. That is actually fine if you have increased. You want to reduce the wall length here, but that is fine. That is for more safety. And it is the more safety you can use this one. Now we have almost completed assigning the loads and the internal drivers. Select one first story. So now I need to here another story. So I got to add a second floor. Welcome. Insert story. So make sure I want to increase the one another story. Okay. So we have already number of three stories are present in the okay, one, two, and three. So I have to add two of them. One is landing and one is roof. The total will be 5. Story height, we will change it from tell you. Click. Okay. Okay. So now you have to go edit story. We have five stories. So this one is 1800. 18 months. Okay. So this one is to landing area. This one is have to. Okay. So now, yeah, what we have to do now, click OK. Yeah. This one is have to is similar to have one. Have to be similar to have one. And to be similar to have. Okay. Okay. Now look, you have automatically made second floor with all of the design loads are copied. Second and second story. Okay. Look at this. How easy is this? We must add a roof of this story here. First floor, second floor, and third floor. Third floor roof. Okay. So I need this story. Yes. 2600. Because there is no stairs, just only a roof. Mhm. You can see here. Yeah. Right. So on number 6, story. I was to regenerate story. We must remove the doors and to number 6. See. Okay. Now number 6, this is the roof actually. I don't have a wall on the top level. So you can select delete loads. Wall loads. You can delete. Okay. Wall loads have been deleted. Number 6, sorry. So we did 1, 2, 3. 3 building. Okay. And then we need to put the slab here on the 6th floor. Slab. Mm-hmm. So we put the 2, 3.5 millimeter per meter. And 1.5 is the waterproofing load. Okay. Here. Is zone. Okay. Now the slab table. This slab has third load of 3.5 because it is a waterproofing all over the slabs. So now I have to set slab automatically in story. The whole model taken So you can select. Okay. So now what I need to do is I need to add the perfect wall mode. No. So now I'm at the minor click on node. Let's say 18 like a 1.5 meter wall. Okay. It has only, let's see here. Yeah, you can see this perfect wall. Put it, add it. Okay. So now you can copy node and paste on right. Paste on it. And you can see that these columns are starting from here. Properties are in. Thank God if you don't have any on this map. Okay. Click on minute 7. Okay. You got it. Good. Now we have almost done the modeling. And so we will now move toward an editing and design. So first of all, we need to check now if there is any error warning. Click on the building model check. Start. As you can see, there is no any error. Okay. The building. Okay. Step is you need to go to the analysis. Building analysis. You need to check the parameters. Okay. Model. Here you can see here. If you want to change your column rebars, you mean, let me tell you how. First, another thing. Second, effective factor. You see, So the next step is you need to go to the building analysis. Okay. You can see here model setting. Okay. Then you can first grab my model. Alright. We have 1, 2, 3. Not involving. Therefrom we can watch. Okay. Okay. Trying to be mesh. I think reduce this as default. The model. Combination. Loading generator. Click this on. Make sure not. And not this one. Okay. Column. You can select choose the ring bars column. I want to use 40, 16, 14, 16, 18, 20. Not this one. For B, I also want to use 14, 20, 3. Okay. Slab 10 and 12. I want to use not this one. This one, not this one. Okay. Or tunable. The setting. Okay. Okay. Origin. You can see here this is origin we have set. Which is column. already know how to design. Nice design. See the mistake here. It wants to again and man. See this column has been paused. Some of the column are failing. Maybe you can see here. The story 6 all column are paused. You can see the main column. The main column. Are not failing. 17. Tomorrow. But there is a right area, there is a much stressing. Yeah. Um, story 3 and 4 1. Story 3 and 5. Column that are passing and floor 1. Alright, and what's for the beam? Beams are also passing. This green line mean they are passing. Okay, and what about the beam also must be paused? Okay. What about this one? 6 also pass. Beam also pass. Which one is failing? Yes. Let's me. Okay, so next step we will design the foundation here. I need to go story 0. Okay. This one, this plane. We just need to click column, set, get footing. Had to, let me just do analysis here. So we can go to condition analysis, or even if you go here, location, you can put the allowable stress in like 150 or 200 kilonewton. Okay, put 200 kilonewton. Now click on here and set the pad footing. You can see here. You can see it's okay. This has been designed. So now you can multiple select it. Okay. And set pad footing. Okay. Click OK. So for this one, they are overlapping with each other. Delete this one, delete this one, and set a combined footing. You can see this. Okay. And now we will insert the pad footing on these columns. I want to design a combined footing here on these 4 columns. Set combined pad footing. Okay. So here I want to design and set pad footing. Okay. And set the pad footing. So now putting a beam section. You can also see the which rebars are using here.